I know this might sound crazy, but these 3 products in my hands have made me over $100,000 in profit in 2024 alone on TikTok Shop posting videos as an affiliate, where if you go and buy any of those products on my videos, I get a percentage of the sale. Now you're probably asking, where the do I find these products? And that is exactly what we're gonna break down in this video. I'm not here to waste your time. There's 2 methods that work, and that is what we're gonna cover today. Method number 1 is literally just scrolling on TikTok. You wanna scroll as fast as you can until you see a video with a TikTok Shop product attached to it. You're gonna like, comment, follow, share, watch the whole video 6 times and interact with that video every way that you possibly can. Now you wanna scroll as fast as you can, skipping every video until you see another shoppable product video. You're gonna do this over and over and over again for about 5 minutes, and then you'll be surprised. Every single video on your feed is gonna be a TikTok Shop video, left and right, every single video. Now, if a video is on your For You page and a TikTok algorithm is showing it to you saying, hey, you might wanna buy off of this video, clearly the video has good sales and good conversions on the back end, which means they're feeding you viral videos because they think you're going to buy things. They think you're a consumer in a buying mood. And that is how we trick the algorithm to hand us viral videos. Now we can save these videos and go through and pick out the top 5 points that we saw in common through all these videos and incorporate that into our videos, or just blatantly copy someone's video. It really all depends. And that leads into method number 2, which is software tools. I have a video, I'll link it on screen here. We can go to a website like Kalo Data and take somebody's viral video, transcribe the entire thing, put it into ChatGPT, and make your own version of it. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and explain it to waste your time because I have a separate video on just that exact topic, but these are the 2 ways. Literally, 1, finding products organically, or 2, using software tools. Both work just as great, and it is not hard. I've used these exact strategies to make multiple 6 figures, well over multiple 6 figures in 2024 alone, posting videos on TikTok Shop as an affiliate. If you want to learn more about this, I do have a group where I teach exactly that, and we pair you up with brands who will pay you to make videos upfront on top of your sales and run ads on your videos. And if you have any questions on any of these topics, feel free to look around my channel, watch any of my videos, or comment below, and I will make a video on your comment.